So I got this Whirlpool washing machine because it would not drain. Took the back off of it. I could hear the pump running, so I knew it wasn't nothing with the pump. Went on ahead and took the bottom of the drain off, and look at what that is right there. Any idea what you think that could be right there? Well, it is a sock. That's right. That was a sock hanging out the bottom of the drum.